Hello audience, and welcome to this week's episode of Will It Extract. I'm your host, Benedict, and as always I'm joined by my trusty assistant, the Edge. What's that, Edge? Am I trying anything new? Yeah, actually I've got a couple new summer hobbies lined up. Top of my list right now is actually something very new to me. I'm trying out some bird watching. Have I seen anything? No, not really actually. I've been kind of disappointed. Frankly, very disappointed. Oh, where have I been looking? A couple places. Well, for starters, around my apartment, the office, around here. What? Outside? In this heat? No. But there's like a giant laser ball in the sky, Edge. That thing's dangerous. What? Yeah, even at a distance, that thing can like do some weird stuff to your skin, and I've got enough weird skin stuff already. I'm not risking anything else. What? This? Sunscreen? You're telling me that this weird lotion can act as a barrier from that giant indiscriminate ball of fire? I don't know if I believe you. What's even in this stuff? Okay, yeah, I guess we'll extract it and we'll have a look. We'll take a look through it. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and move on to sample prep. I'm not sure if I believe this yet. All right, Edge, let's go ahead and begin on our sample preparation process for this extraction. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our sample cell, the Q cup. We'll go ahead and disassemble. And into the base, we'll go ahead and add our Q disc, which is our inline filtration system for the Edge. We'll insert it into the bottom, making sure it's laying nice and flat. And then we'll assemble the two pieces by screwing together. And now that our sample cell has been prepared, we'll go ahead and add in some Q matrix Hydra to help ensure that this sunscreen stays inside the Q cup during extraction. So go ahead and add in our pre-weighed amounts of Q matrix Hydra. And with that inside the sample cell, I'll go ahead and squirt in some of this sunscreen. Normally you would pre-weigh your sample and pipette it in, but I'm going to just squirt some in on top. And now that we have our sample fully prepared, we'll go ahead and take our Q screen, insert it into the top, and then press down with the tool. And once that's inside the Q cup, we'll go ahead and load the cell into the rack, place an extraction vial beside it, and I'll go ahead and place the whole rack inside the Edge. I'll go ahead and come around front, select the method we're going to be using, load it into the Q, press play, press start, and the Edge is going to run for a few minutes, so I'll see you guys after that. And now the Edge has finished its run, so here we have our extracted sample, as well as our extract. You can see that the extract is nice and clear. It's filtered thanks to that Q disc we put in for inline filtration. Now regarding what you may be looking for in this extract, the US FDA has some compounds that are deemed not GRACE or not generally regarded as safe and effective, like para-aminobenzoic acid or toluene salicylate. Other compounds of interest may include ingredients the US FDA has classified as not GRACE, such as sinoxate, dioxybenzone, and miratamate. It's important to check formulations for active ingredients or stabilizers or contaminants like heavy metals as well. For elemental analysis, you'll need to take a look at CEM's Mars microwave digestion system. Thank you all for joining me today for Will It Extract. For more information on the Edge and our many other offerings, please visit our website at cem.com. I mean, yeah, as a kid, Edge, I went outside all the time. I frolicked, ran through the hills, did, normal childhood stuff. Oh yeah, now that you mention it, my mom did make me put on something on my skin when I was going outside. But I'm an adult now, Edge. My skin is in my own hands, and I have not been doing that actually. So maybe I should start. Also, can you take a look at this weird mole?